Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this quick and short video I'm going to be showing you how you can make your profile private on TikTok now. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you this on the standalone app. It's probably a similar process if you're in the US and you have the TikTok Now built into the normal TikTok app. So I'll just open up TikTok Now. Then all you need to do is tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. Then you'll see 3 horizontal stripes at the top right hand corner. Tap on that. And then you tap on the second option, which is privacy. And right there at the top, you can see it says private account. With a private account, only users you approve can follow you and view your posts. Your existing followers won't be affected. So just toggle that to the right and then it will be blue. And then you will have a private account and then you can go back and now it is private. So that's it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.